In the sport of life, there are big wins and bigger struggles. Sometimes it's just too hard to go on, and giving up feels like the only option. Just between 2019 and 2020, 14.75% athletes sustained shoulder injuries. 13.11% athletes sustained knee injuries. 11.48% athletes suffered from ankle injuries. Abhinav Foundation, in collaboration with Healthium, is working to raise the awareness about sports injury and treatment options, and to help our athletes to continue the sport of life. May the sport of life never stop.